Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the movies rating like PG, PG-13, R-rated, and NC-17. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on screen time. Next, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now go down and tap on content restrictions. Next, put in the screen time passcode. Then once you are in here, tap on movies. Now in here you can select don't allow, NR rating, G rating, PG rating, PG-13, R rated, or NC-17, or unrated. So select one of the options. And then tap on the back key to go back to settings, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.